So today we want to look at how you can acquire your tax ID using either your national ID card number or using your registered business so if liability company, your tax ID will be used. What you need to do is this is FI. It will now can go. It is on the NRS portal active. You can use NIMC share. Remember, the NIMC is an application that you can install on your phone, or you can also use this very USSD code on your mobile phone to pull up your tax using the star 346 on your mobile phone. You must use the same phone number provided by the national identity card. So if your phone number on the NIN portal is different from what you have, you must go and update it, and to update that you need to visit the NIMC service portal to register and apply for update of phone numbers. The update of phone numbers will cost you around 3,000 naira or so, and that will update your phone number on the NIMC portal, but you need a police report to do that. So we are going to use the NIN. You need to provide your NIN. Make sure the NIN is correct. If you put that, you click retrieve. You give your first name, you give your last name, then you put the date of birth on the NIM portal. So if you don't put the original date of birth on your NIN, you will not be able to generate this very tax ID. So if you lost your NIN and you don't know the date of birth on it, what you need to do is you can comment on this video. We will be able to generate a NIN number for you, which has to be paid. Now for companies it is straightforward. You will just go to this corporate. All you need to select is, if it is a business name, click business name, put the 7-digit company registration number. If it is a limited liability company, put it. Make sure you select the right option. If it's an incorporated trustee, like non-governmental organizations, you need to also select them here correctly. That way it will generate the 13-digit NIN number for you. That's what you are required to have to be able to update your data on banks, on a lot of payment portals, and lot more. So if there's any question, you can put your comment on this video and we'll be able to get back